Hello viewers, welcome to my channel in which I will be demonstrating the power of PowerPoint in creating interactive and engaging activities to reinforce learning. In this video, we will be creating and solving maze puzzle using animations and triggers. Let me take you through overview and step-by-step process. Mouse and cheese maze activity overview. Mouse moves forward when we click the red dots until it reaches the cheese. If the path is correct, then the color of red dot changes to green. The mouse moves back to the previous position when the pathway is not correct. Finally, the correct solution is revealed. In a blank slide, format background and insert picture of a maze. The next step is to insert mouse and cheese picture from icons. Place the mouse at the beginning and the cheese at the end of the maze. Draw arrows at entry and exit points. Insert text box to type home and end at entry and exit points. Next step is to create pathways by placing dots. Insert small circle and add 3D effect. Make multiple copies and place it inside the maze to create pathways that leads to cheese or wall. Now change the name of the points from the selection plane as per your convenience. Step is to create transparent covers over clickable objects or points in the pathway. For that, create a rectangle, rename it in the selection plane, go to save format, save fill should be white and remove the border. Click on the transparency to 100%, make copies of rectangle and cover all the dots. Repeat the process so that all the covers are covered over the dots. Rename the covers in the selection pane. Watch ByteNote video on covers and triggers for use of cover object. Adding animation to mouse along the pathway. Select custom path from motion path. Draw a line from mouse home to first point. Similarly, add animation for all the dots until the mouse reaches the end of the cheese. You can randomly add animations for all the points. Triggers to animation. Hide all the covers in selection pane. When the first point is clicked, the mouse has to move from home to that first point. So select first point as trigger for mouse object. Add triggers for all the points in the maze for mouse object. This is done to move the mouse forward in correct path. Animation for points towards wall. Similarly, when we click the point towards the wall, the mouse has to move to that point and return back to the previous position. For points towards the wall, add custom animation and draw motion path back to the previous point. Next step is to move additional animations under corresponding trigger point. Change effect option to after previous. This is done to move the mouse back from wrong path to right path. Repeat this process for all the points towards the wall. Assigning exit animation for covers. Unhide all the covers from selection pane. Hide all the points. Select all the covers and assign exit animation. Unhide the points. Next step is to move the cover animation under corresponding trigger points. This is done to reveal the next possible pass to be taken by the mouse object. Changing the color of correct pathway points. Again, hide all the covers in selection pane. Select all the points in correct pathway. Assign emphasis fill color animation. Change the fill color to green. Connected correct pathway line for solving the puzzle. Draw the pathway line from mouse to cheese to solve the puzzle. Insert line from mouse to the first dot, then repeat the process of connecting the dots along the correct path. Similarly, repeat the process of connecting the two dots all along the correct path until you reach the end or cheese. The final step is to group all the lines and move to the bottom. revealing the solution for the maze puzzle. Place the correct path, which was placed at the bottom at the beginning over the maze. Provide entrance wipe animation from right to left. Set timing duration to medium. Place this animation under cheese trigger. Duplicate the mouse and cheese and group it and place it in home. Add entrance fade animation for mouse and cheese grouped object. Place this animation under cheese trigger. Final step is to add exit disappear animation for original cheese and mouse. Place this animation under cheese trigger. This creates the effect of mouse appearing at home with cheese and the correct pathway is revealed. Thanks for watching video until the end. If you have come this far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We welcome your valuable feedback, queries and ideas in comment section and watch out for more videos.